Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn geography, chapter number 6, natural regions. Dear student, in the following pictures you can see different types of housing, clothing, flora and fauna and food. What is flora and fauna? Means the plants growing in that particular area, and fauna means the animals which grow in that particular area. These pictures have small boxes on the top. You can see in your textbook, page number 30-31. If you have ever used the images given here, put tick mark. If you just seen it, put star. And if you don't know anything about the image, then put cross. Complete this in your textbook. While completing this, you will come to know there exist large number of different things in the world than those we see in our surroundings. We see different educational and TV programs about wildlife. We become curious to know more about this wildlife. Why is this wildlife is not seen in our areas? Why are they not similar to things in our areas? What causes this difference? Let us try to find the reasons behind this. Geographical explanation. There are differences in terms of landforms, climate, soils, etc. in different parts of the world. This differences is mainly due to the availability of sunlight, water in that region. The availability of sunlight and water keeps on changing from the equator to the poles. You have studied this in the previous standard. Differences in landform, climate and soil greatly influence the flora, fauna and human life and give rise to the variation in the biodiversity in different parts of the world. Now we will see what is natural region. There are some similarities of climate, vegetation and animal life in different continents that spread between certain latitudes. These similarities stand out the special features of that particular region. These regions stand out on the basis of natural factors. What is natural factors? That is like landforms, water, sunlight, air pressure and wind. They are called the natural region. In this lesson, we will see Tundra region, taiga region, grassland, steppes and prairies, hot desert region, grassland Sudan type, equatorial region, monsoon region, Mediterranean region and West European region. Now first we will see Tundra region. This region is covered with snow much of the year. We can see this region in the Arctic pole. Location and extent is between 65 to 90 degree parallels. And which places you will see this Tundra region? Greenland, North Canada, North Europe and the North Asia. Climate. Summer temperature is 10 degrees Celsius and winter temperature is approximately 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Annual rainfall is 300 millimeter. That means it has very cold climate. Natural vegetation. Plants are short and include moss and lichen. Moss means small flowerless plant and lichen means simple and slow growing plants. Animal life. Reindeer, polar bears, walrus, seals can see in this region. Human life. Hunting and fishing people are doing in this region. Igloo houses and tents are the shelters in this region. People who are living in this region is called Eskimos. Here population is less. Now we will see the taiga region. Taiga is a forest of the cold subarctic region. The location and extent is between 55 degree to 65 degree north parallels, where we can see this region from Alaska to Atlantic coast and parts of Europe and Asia. Climate of this region is in summer the temperature is 50 degree to 20 degree Celsius. Winter temperature is below 0 degree Celsius. Annual rainfall between 300 millimeter to 500 millimeter is observed. In this region, rainfall is in summer and snowfall is in winter. Coniferous forest can see here, which means leaves are narrow and pointed. Wood is lightweight, which means weightless and soft. Redwood, pine trees are the types of trees in taiga regions. Animal life. Animals have soft and thick skin. Caribous, eggs, ermine, beavers, silver fox are the animals live in taiga region. Human life. Population is less. Lumbering, hunting is carried out here. What is lumbering? Lumbering means cutting the trees. Next we will see the grasslands, steppes and prairies. What is steppes? Large flat grassland in Southeast Europe. Prairie means a large open area in North America. The location and extent between 30 to 50 degree north and south parallels in the interior parts of the continents. Where we can see this region? We can see this region in Eurasia, means Europe and Asia, America and Australia, etc. Climate of this region is summer temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, winter temperature is below 0 degree. Annual rainfall is 400 to 600 millimeter. Raining is mostly in summer season. Short grasses are growing here. Grasses gets dried in winter. Elder, poplar trees are found here. Wildlife. We can see deer, asses, wolf, bisons, dogs, kangaroos, foxes in this region. Human life. Rearing animal is the main occupation. People have nomadic life, which means some year in one place, then they will move to another place. Now they stay in one place, which is well-built house. They started staying. Thank you, children.